Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Canva tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show guidelines and the ruler in Canva. This is actually quite simple. I will start by opening a project I've been working on with Canva. To add guidelines and the ruler in Canva, I click on File, go to Settings and find Show Rulers and Guides. I click on this setting or alternatively use the shortcut Shift-R. And now I can already see the ruler in my project. If I want to insert guidelines, I click on the ruler and try to drag it into my image. This creates a guideline that always shows me the current position in pixels on the side. I have now done this for a vertical guide, but it also works for a horizontal one. If I no longer need the guides in my project, I can remove them again by clicking on them and dragging them back onto the ruler. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.